What's up, guys? Beast King here from Technos, back with another video. We have the Northpoint LED light box with letters and numbers. So this is a light up box where you can write quotes or little notes that you want to put on up in your room. Let's get into this real quick. This video is not really tech, but I thought it was something pretty cool that you guys would like in like a room or college dorm room or something like that. Not sure how much this costs, but you can find it on Amazon or Walmart. So I'm assuming it's powered by battery. Oh wow, 6 AA batteries. Okay, so pop in 6. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I didn't have 6 batteries, but I had 5. I got it to work. I'll show you how I got it to work later. Let's see what we should write. So you have a bunch of letters here. I like how they put them in order. It's kind of cool. Did they put them in order though? Alright, so let's see what we're going to write here. So this is pretty nice design. You just slide them in. I guess you should slide them in from the side. So if you guys are wondering, you just get this from Amazon or Target or Walmart, not Target. It's a pretty good deal if you want to express yourself in different ways, you know, just a nice inspirational quote or something, putting up the weather, just simple things like that. Not sure what to talk about. I'll just put it with what I'm spelling and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I spell out Technos on here. You guys probably thought I was going there, right? Here's the power switch on the side, on and off. So it's actually pretty bright. I'll shut off the lights real quick. It looks kind of cool. You can put it on your room. You can hang it up on a wall if you want to. The letters are pretty good quality. I mean, they're pretty thin, but they have to be so the light can go through them. And it comes with a bunch of letters, like 3. It also comes with numbers, exclamation points, all your punctuation, things like that. So if you like this, pick it up on Walmart or Amazon. Check out some of my other videos. It's just a quick one. Thought it would be cool to show you guys this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions for this product or any other ones. See you later. Beast King out.